Today we're talking about our lawn renovation seeding service. This is our most intensive seeding process designed to bring thin and bare lawns back to life. Before we talk about what you can expect from this service, I want to talk about what this service does. So renovation seeding is a process that involves aeration of the entire lawn and seeding of the entire lawn. The team's going to focus and do extra aeration and extra seeding in those thin and bare areas. As part of this service, they're also going to leave you with a small bag of seed. Now, it's really important to understand that after the team leaves, the lawn is going to look rough. This intensive aeration process beats up the ground, and that's on purpose. It's to create the best seed soil contact, give that seed the optimal place to grow. You are going to notice plugs all over the lawn. That's normal. Those plugs are going to break down naturally over the next few weeks as you water and mow. In 5 to 21 days, you're going to start seeing some germination. Oftentimes people get excited about this and they kind of back off their practices. This is actually the time to push forward, continue watering, continue babying that seed so it establishes well. Remember that small bag of seed our team left? If you notice any areas with weaker germination, spread the seed over those areas to help them fill in nicely. Don't forget that watering is key. Water lightly a few times per day to keep the soil moist and not let it dry out. Also, during the first few weeks, avoid heavy foot traffic and wait to mow until the grass is 4 to 5 inches tall. Just remember to be patient as new grass seed takes time to establish, and follow these steps so your newly renovated lawn will be thicker, healthier for years to come.